The Nyothrep Youth Council, or the HYC, had met the Deputy Chief Minister of Meghalaya, Prestun Tinsong, and submitted a memorandum to request the government on its intervention into the Assam Cattle Preservation Bill 2021 and also requested to take necessary steps to uplift cattle production in the state. Speaking to the media after his meeting with the Deputy Chief Minister of Meghalaya, the President of the HYC, ROBERTJUNE KHARJAHRIN, said that Assam Cattle Preservation Bill 2021 that was recently tabled in the Assam Legislative Assembly will greatly affect cattle traders and butchers in Meghalaya, since Clause 7 of the bill states that permission has to be sought from the Assam government for cattle to pass through to other states, especially in the northeastern region of the country. He also added that the local butchers and meat sellers would be greatly affected by the constraints of the bill, and this in turn would affect their livelihood. He therefore urged upon the government to take stock of the situation and to intervene into the matter so that the same would be solved permanently.
Kandon ke cingkta du kata ya jama ka jumi ti nakliang u deputy CM badi menteri in charge ya ki merat badi veterinary ulapan pau hi ba kani kalong illegal kalong unconstitutional kani ka bill buat ula penganyi ba unsah syibkhia ban ya keren ya kale ban kasor ka rasam but sahui ru ide ban suthu syai kalong ba kawai ka ban sakta kalong ba ya ki bru ki jungi ba syong ni kidon ki bru jungi ki ba kamai chakpo da ka ba di dok masih da ka bu dukan ki di ye ki dok ba set ki dok masih ki dok bermuri ti kini ru kin dot ka jing sakta adu kata nalol kata kumba pio i mentah hakaleng gari India kidon gitu ki kau raksha mo ki supaya da masih ti kini ladon gani ka an ti kini le thot kan sadon ge jing sha sho sha bom kan sadon ge jing sha kan sengek jubo jong ki kali ki ba kit ki masih na kawai ke jelas sha kawai ke jelas sha makhliang jong but ka ba khadu hi ka ba ngi na khliang jong ka seng ni la ai jomun ge ba ok hot ka ba nung kong long ba sarkar makhliang ke de ban intervene ya kan ka bill la ne ka interwa jong ka Assam but ka ba arpat ni hapan ni perkhat ha ka long term perspective ya ka long term solution but kata ka long term solution ka long ba ka jala makhlia ka haban kut jingmut ka haban tristem kumno ban pendap na ladi yang jindon kam bam do ha ne jala